Hi family, happy Friday. Today we're going to do some gardening. My garlic didn't come out, so I decided just to go ahead and plant cabbage. I love cabbage, so I'm going to show you how I plant. Look, we all know what's going on with the food. I was like, let me start now so when there is a food shortage, I can be prepared. So right now I'm going to plant some cabbage. So here we go. I went to Lowe's and I picked up the bed and I got me some soil and just want to show you how beautiful this cabbage is. So we're gonna go ahead and plant it and we're gonna see how it goes. All right, isn't it beautiful? All right, just gonna go ahead and prep the bed. So right now we need 3 to 4 gallons of water. Let's go get it. So we're gonna go ahead and smooth the soil back out. I added some more. Smooth the soil back out. And family, since I'm new, I'm gonna go ahead and measure. So I'm gonna measure 1 gallon. All right, I'm gonna do 3. I guess you just needed 2 because it's spilled out at the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna move it in the sun to make sure it gets 8 hours of sun. So I know with cabbage, I know with planting cabbage, it's supposed to be spaces apart. So we're gonna go ahead and plant all 4 of them, and we'll just see. We'll see what happens from there. Next time I'm gonna do cabbage, so I can have a lot of space. So we'll see. These pretty babies. Just realized it's 6. So I'm planting them in here for now, and then I'm gonna put them out there. But I want to plant them. Gonna get a bigger crate. So just want to get these in some soil, and then I'll put the correct seeds in here. So I know this was supposed to be the seeds, but it's okay. You live and learn. You start, and you go from there. Checking them. That's the only thing we can do, and let nature take its course. So let me clean up a little bit. So there you have it, my cabbage. We're gonna see. Every morning I'll come and just check on them. So the final touch is to put down the mulch bag. Just see how that goes. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. We'll see. We'll see. The reason why I'm just trying to do lettuce, first time I'm growing vegetables, I feel it's tricky growing garlic. I know it's a little trick to it, but I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna show y'all how I'm growing garlic. So right now, what are you guys gonna grow? Just think about it. We don't know this day and age, all the stuff that's going on. Whew. I know I was looking at the CDC website and it was just saying all the things that we should have in our house. So guys, it is a food shortage. Get a dehydrator, dehydrate some fruits and vegetables. It's a lot of fruits and vegetables that's being recalled. It's being recalled for a reason. So take the time, seriously, take the time. Get you some fruits and vegetables, freeze them, stock them up, can them. Do it now. There's plenty of free information on YouTube. Like I said, Lee Farmer 73. He's doing it. You know, you can watch his old videos. There's other people out there. There's preppers. There's so many other ways that you know, free information where you can learn how to grow your own vegetables. You know, plant stuff inside the house. I am gonna do stuff inside the house. I'm waiting now for, you know, Amazon to deliver this this tent. And so, well, Sierra, shout out to my girl Sierra. She's the one that told me about growing vegetables inside the house. So yeah, I know a while back I said Quasia and Brittany was going to start, but we haven't started. You know, life just gets in the way. We just be busy doing stuff. So right now I'm going to do something with the grass. So, but we'll have more in a little while. Hi family, you can see that I wanted to show you guys I can't go outside and record my video because the lawn service is out there cleaning the yard, so it's very noisy out there. So I'm have to continue inside. Okay. Okay, family. So if I can grow vegetables, you can grow vegetables because I do not have a green thumb. But guess what? I'm going to master this because I'm going to learn and keep on learning. We in this pandemic. I don't know what's going on with the foods. If they're closing all kind of borders and they're not letting things in or out, what else can you do but grow your own vegetables? Um, all that stuff in the supermarket is really not going to suffice. No, I'm not trying to scare anybody, but just want to tell you, just be aware. Use, you know, be a critical thinker. Listen. What are they not telling you? What are they not doing? We need to take care of ourselves. And this is one of the great tools that, you know, we should already know, but not going to get all technical or get all in depth or whatever. But just one thing we need to do is, learn to grow our own vegetables. I'm going to start with cabbage. I do have some um, green pepper seeds that I will take care of and just go from there. So I'll get some more supplies and start that, put that on the video. But I just want you to see that I started, and you can start too. Just take it one step at a time. And then next thing you know, you have a garden, you save some money, and you taking care of you and taking care of your family. And you pass that knowledge down. You just pass that knowledge down. Same thing when we learn how to cook, sew. And when I was in school, we had to learn how to type. Did that help me with computers? Yes. I learned the keyboard. I don't remember some of the things that changed around, but anyway. Well, when I was little, we had home economics where you learn to cook, learn proper things in school, but they don't have that now. So, you got to go on YouTube or, get stuff from your family. But, parents are working, everybody's busy, busy, busy. But just learn the skill, pick it up. Like I'm going to learn how to garden. I'm waiting for my dehydrator still, and I'm just gonna prep me some food. And yeah, I've been watching them preppers. It's so many things. I've been watching them preppers, and it just makes you think, make you wonder. So, but look, gardening is wonderful. It helps meditation, it clears your mind, get you focused, it just change your way of thinking and change your way of life. That's the only thing. Change your way of life. Change you, change you. It's all about healing, learning, and yes, that is a part of, your overall health. Your overall health. You know where the vegetables came from, you know what's in it and what you put in it, and you know what you put in your body. So that's good. That's good there. So look, I'm going to end for now. Yes, a short video just showing you gardening. Just, change gardening. You can add that to your apothecary. Get you, I saw some rosemary, but I said I'm going to grow my own. I want to start from scratch. I want to start from the seed and see it sprout. I got the lettuce. I got the cabbage, so we're going to start from there. I already have I already got them growing, so we'll see. We'll see if they survive. We already know the creator's going to let them survive. So, but I want to start from the seeds and I want to start from there. So I will be doing more videos, just doing more interactive, teaching you, showing you, and we just go from there. All right, you guys have a happy Friday and enjoy your weekend. Bye.